Hey guys, I'm Sophie Jaffe. I'm the founder of Philosophie Superfoods, and today I am making a really delicious, one of my favorite recipes. It's Pesto Zoodles. So if you don't know what zoodles are, they are zucchini noodles. So all you need is some raw zucchini and then a bunch of greens. We have basil, we've got some sprouts for topping it, raw cashews, or you could use pine nuts for like the cheese and the creaminess of the pesto, some extra greens, usually use spinach, but I have mixed greens today. We want some avocado oil, green Gream powder, or our savory blend, whichever you have, and some sea salt and garlic and pepper. And that's all you need, super simple. A little bit of water also. So we're gonna get started. The cool thing about this is on our 10-day low sugar cleanse. It is a dinner. You could also have this. This is for day 8. And it has all the ingredients you need there. So I use a high-speed blender. You could also use a food processor for this. Take off the stems and just add all the basil. I'm gonna just tear it. It smells so good. And then I'm gonna add the greens. Stick in some extra sprouts just for extra nutrition. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add these cashews. You can soak the cashews overnight or for a few hours. I didn't, my belly's fine with it. So just pay attention to yourself. If you have trouble digesting nuts, soak them as long as they're raw and it'll help a lot. I'm doing 2 cloves of garlic. You could do more, you could do less. I'm gonna do some avocado oil. The recipe calls for olive. I'm out of olive oil, so I'm just gonna be using avocado. Also delicious. I'm eyeballing because I've done these recipes for so long now and I know what works. And also raw food is not a science. Unlike baking, raw food is just fun. You wanna go off your taste, go off your intuition. Do some pepper, ground pepper. I'll go ahead and do some of this green Gream because it has nutritional yeast in it. If you don't have our savory blend, you would do green Gream powder, nutritional yeast, and sea salt. So 2 tablespoons of water. And that just helps it blend. And then you will taste it and see how it goes. It's pretty good. I can definitely taste the sprouts. Don't have the sprouts unless you're a sprout person. But I like it. I'm gonna add more pepper. I'm gonna add another clove of garlic because I like it really garlicky. Add 2 more cloves of garlic. A little more sea salt. And just so you know, if you can't find zucchinis or you don't like zucchinis, another alternative is kelp noodles. You can get this online in bulk, really affordable, and you just follow the directions on this for the noodles, and that's a really great thing for digestion, and it's very low calorie, but it's really nutritious and filling from the fiber. Try this, excited. Way better. Cool, I'm gonna go with it. So you take the zucchini, chop off the ends. Beautiful, curly, spiralized pasta zoodles. And these are ready for eating. So we've got our zoodles here. I'm just gonna add the sauce. Super easy. Add some sprouts on top. You could add some pine nuts on top of that as well if you wanted to. Beautiful zoodles. Easy as pie, gluten-free raw pie. Way easier. Enjoy.